Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English with Emily and Jay. I'm Emily, your English teacher and friend, and today we have a great topic, a very useful topic, something you probably do every week, maybe even every day. We are going to talk about supermarkets, shopping, and prices. Yes, today's episode is called At the Supermarket. We will practice vocabulary, common phrases, and very simple dialogues that you can use in real life. And of course, Jay is here with me today. Hi, Jay. How are you?
Hi, Emily. Hi, guys. I'm feeling great today. I'm excited. And yes, supermarkets. I go there a lot. But sometimes, I don't know the words in English. So I think today will help me a lot.
That's exactly what we want. So everyone who is listening, relax, take your time, breathe, and enjoy learning. We will speak slowly, clearly, and naturally. Are you ready, Jay?
I'm ready. Let's do this.
Okay, Jay. Let's start with something simple. I will say some supermarket words, and you repeat. Then I explain what they mean.
Sounds good.
Great. Repeat after me. Supermarket. Aisle, cart, basket, cashier, checkout, price, discount, product, shelf.
Supermarket, aisle, cart, basket, cashier, checkout, price, discount, product, shelf.
Perfect. Now let's explain each one. Supermarket, the big store where you buy food and many other things. Aisle, the corridor you walk through inside the supermarket. Cart, the big thing with wheels where you put your groceries. Basket, smaller than the cart. You carry it with your hand. Cashier, the person who works at the checkout. Checkout, the place where you pay. Price, the value of something, how much it costs. Discount, a reduction in the price. Product, anything you can buy. Shelf, where the products are placed.
Okay, that helps a lot. I always hear aisle in movies, but I never knew how to say it correctly.
Yes, it's a tricky one. We write A-I-S-L-E, but the S is silent. It sounds like aisle.
Aisle.
Yes, good. So now let's imagine you are arriving at a supermarket. Jay, when you enter the store, what do you do first?
I usually take a cart.
Exactly. So our first mini dialogue is about that. Mini dialogue 1, getting a cart. Amelie, as Jay. Excuse me, where are the carts? Jay, as employee. They are at the entrance, on the right. Very simple and useful. Let's practice with the real Jay now.
Okay.
Okay, Jay, ask me where the carts are.
Jay, excuse me, where are the carts?
They are at the entrance, on the right.
Perfect. Easy.
Now let's talk about food. I will say the category, then give you examples. 1. Fruits. Apple, banana, orange, grapes, watermelon, pineapple, mango, strawberry. 2. Vegetables. Tomato, lettuce, onion, carrot, potato, broccoli, cucumber, spinach. 3. Dairy. Milk, cheese, butter, yogurt. 4. Meat and protein. Chicken, beef, fish, eggs. 5. Bakery. Bread, croissant, cake, donuts. 6. Drinks. Water, juice, soda, coffee, tea. 7. Snacks. Chips, cookies, chocolate. 8. Household items. Soap, shampoo, toilet paper, cleaning products.
Wow, that's a lot, but very helpful.
Don't worry. We will use these in dialogues. Let's continue. In a supermarket, sometimes you can't find something, so you ask an employee. Here are some common phrases. Excuse me, where can I find the... Which aisle is the... in? Do you have? Is there any? Let's do a practice dialogue. Mini dialogue 2, asking for a product. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? The milk is in aisle 4. And where are the apples? They are in the produce section. And chips, I want chips. Chips are in aisle 8, next to the cookies. Great, thank you. You're welcome. Good. Now let's talk about prices. Maybe the most important part, right?
Yes, especially when things are expensive.
Exactly. So let's learn some useful phrases and questions. Useful phrases. How much is this? How much does this cost? Is this on sale? Is there a discount? That's too expensive. That's cheap. Do you have a cheaper option? Let's do a dialogue.
Excuse me, how much is this cheese?
It's $5.99.
Hmm. Do you have a cheaper one?
Yes, this one is $3.
Oh, great. I'll take it.
Perfect. Now let's practice quantities. Very important when buying groceries. Vocabulary. A bottle of water. A pack of cookies. A loaf of bread. A bag of rice. A can of soda. A pound of meat. A kilo of potatoes. A dozen eggs.
How do I say quiero dos packets?
In English, easy. I want 2 packs. Or, more specific, I want 2 packs of cookies.
Great.
Okay, Jay, now let's do a longer, more natural dialogue. Imagine you entered the supermarket and you have a shopping list. Your shopping list is apples, bread, chicken, rice, milk, shampoo, water. Let's act it out. Hi, welcome to Sunny Market. Do you need a cart?
Yes, please. Where are the carts?
They are right over there, next to the entrance.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I help you find anything today?
Yes, actually, yes. I need apples. Where can I find the apples?
The apples are in the produce section straight ahead.
Great, thank you. And what about bread?
Bread is in the bakery section on the left.
Perfect. And chicken? I need chicken too.
Chicken is in the meat section, aisle 10.
Okay, and rice?
Rice is in aisle 5.
Nice. And milk?
Milk is in the refrigerator aisle, aisle 4.
Okay, only 2 more things, shampoo and water.
Shampoo is in aisle 12, the personal care aisle, and water is in aisle 7 with drinks.
Thank you so much. One more question. How much is the water?
A bottle of water is $1.50.
Oh, that's good. And the shampoo?
The shampoo is $6, but today there is a discount. It's on sale for $4.
Nice. I'll take it.
Great. Anything else?
No, that's everything. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Have a great shopping day.
Thank you.
Now let's practice paying for your groceries. Useful phrases at the checkout. Did you find everything okay? Do you need bags, cash, or card? Here is your receipt. Have a nice day. Let's do a dialogue. Mini dialogue 4. Paying at the checkout. Hi, did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
Great. Do you need bags?
Yes, 2 bags, please.
No problem. Your total is $38.20.
Okay. Card, please.
You can insert your card here.
Done.
Perfect. Here is your receipt. Have a great day.
Thanks. You too.
Okay, Jay. Now I will give you a situation and you answer in English. Situation 1. You want to buy bananas and you can't find them. Ask me where they are.
Excuse me, where can I find the bananas?
Great. Situation 2. You want to know the price of a pack of cookies.
How much is this pack of cookies?
Perfect. Situation 3. You want 2 bags of rice.
I want 2 bags of rice.
Excellent. Situation 4. You are at the checkout and the cashier asks, cash or card? Answer the way you prefer.
Card, please.
Very good. Now, I will tell a short story. Then Jay will tell what he understood. Story. Last Saturday, I went to the supermarket. I needed milk, bread, eggs, and apples. The supermarket was very full. I took a basket because I didn't want a cart. First, I went to the bakery to get bread. Then I went to aisle 4 to get milk. The apples were in the produce section. I also found eggs on the top shelf. At the checkout,